If someone were to say, I was born in 1960, in the 1970s, in the 1980s, I did not choose this, I wish you had sent me in 1200, I rebel against this, showing rebellion to the Almighty over time preference, or saying, why was I born today, I actually wish to be born 500 years later. In the same way, they would commit a crime against Allah the Almighty and Majestic, against His decree, become a criminal, show great audacity, and go against the will of the Divine, thus displaying a complete disregard for the Divine plan. Because the Almighty Creator, as the power that creates everything out of nothing, determines the time period and geography in which He will create and sustain us in this limited responsible life, He is the rightful owner of the power. As long as He does not wrong us, and as long as these differences do not permanently affect our fate, we have no objection to His authority and accept His absolute sovereignty over our existence and the decisions He makes. Thus, the Supreme Being explicitly stated that you are not held captive by the time of your birth, nor are you held captive by the geographical conditions of your birth. None of these factors have any enduring effect on shaping your destiny, nor do they exert any adverse influence on shaping your ultimate, boundless, and infinite future. You are solely and exclusively hostages bound and confined to the limitations imposed by the amount of income you earn. Each person bears the consequences of what they have earned. They are hostages to it. His deeds, behaviors, what he should have done but didn't, what he shouldn't have done but did, all according to the measures of the Almighty. Because He is the Commander, the Creator, the Provider, and the Sustainer.